Dear students, today we will solve one example of cash flow statement in Advanced Accounting and Auditing paper 6, Veer Narmal South Gujarat University, TY BCom semester 5. Here we have a balance sheet of a company as on 31st March 2015 and 2016. On liability side, we have equity share capital, 8% preference share capital, general reserve, securities premium, profit and loss account, 11% debentures, creditors, provision for tax, proposed dividend. Whereas on asset side we have goodwill, land and building, plant and machineries, investment which is non-trading, stock, debtors, cash at bank, prepaid expenses, premium on redemption of debentures. Here are some additional informations. Number 1. Investments were sold during the year at a profit of rupees 15,000. Number 2. During the year, an old machine costing rupees 80,000 was sold for rupees 36,000 and its written down value was rupees 45,000. Number 3. Depreciation charge on plant and machinery at 20% on the opening balance. Number 4. There was no purchase or sale of land and building. Number 5. Provision for tax was made during the year was rupees 96,000. And last, number 6. Preference shares were issued for consideration of cash during the year. From the above information and balance sheets, we are asked to prepare cash flow statement as per Accounting Standard 3. Outline of the solution is: first, we will prepare necessary non-current accounts having adjustments effect. Number 2, we will pass necessary journal entries for non-current accounts having hidden adjustments effect. And finally, at third stage, we will prepare cash flow statement as per Accounting Standard 3. Let us solve adjustment number 1. Investments were sold during the year at a profit of rupees 15,000. Here is the working for sale of investment. Book value of investment sold rupees 20,000. This is by difference between opening and closing balance rupees 20,000. Add profit on sale rupees 15,000. So our sale proceeds of investment amounts to rupees 35,000. Now journal entry for sale of investment. First entry for sale, bank account debit rupees 35,000 to investments account rupees 35,000. Second entry for profit on sale of investment, investments account debit rupees 15,000 to profit and loss account rupees 15,000. Now we will prepare investments account. First of all, we will take opening balance on debit side rupees 2,40,000 and closing balance on credit side rupees 2,20,000. Now we will make posting of journal entries. On credit side, by bank rupees 35,000 and on debit side to profit and loss account 15,000. And our investment accounts get tally with rupees 2,55,000. Now effect of the transactions. Sale of investments rupees 35,000 will be recorded as a cash inflow from investing activities, and profit on sale of investment rupees 15,000 will be recorded as a deduction from profit in operating activities. Now we will solve adjustment number 2 and adjustment number 3 related to plant and machinery. Adjustment number 2. During the year, an old machine costing rupees 80,000 was sold for rupees 36,000 and its written down value was rupees 45,000, and depreciation charge on plant and machinery at 20% on the opening balance. Here is the working for sale of plant and machinery. Written down value of plant sold rupees 45,000 less sale proceeds rupees 36,000. So rupees 9,000 is loss on sale of plant. Our journal entry for sale bank account debit 36,000 rupees, profit and loss account debit rupees 9,000, to plant and machineries rupees 45,000. Now second entry for depreciation on plant, depreciation account debit rupees 1,20,000, to plant and machinery account rupees 1,20,000. Now we will prepare plant and machinery account. First of all, we take opening balance on debit side rupees 6 lakh and closing balance on credit side rupees 6,60,000. Now we will make posting of journal entries. So plant account credit side, by bank rupees 36,000 and by profit and loss account rupees 9,000 and by depreciation rupees 1,20,000. There is no other adjustments in plant and machinery account, so we will close plant and machinery account. By closing plant and machinery account, we get rupees 2,25,000 on debit side. This will be recorded as a purchase of plant and machinery, and our journal entry will be plant and machinery account debit to bank account rupees 2,25,000, and our plant account will tally with rupees 8,25,000. Now see the effect. First, sale of plant rupees 36,000 will be recorded as cash inflow in investing activities. Loss on sale of plant rupees 9,000 will be added in profit in operating activities. Depreciation on plant rupees 1,20,000 will be added in profit in operating activities. Purchase of plant rupees 2,25,000 will be recorded as cash outflow in investing activities. Now we will solve adjustment number 4 and adjustment number 5. Adjustment number 4, there was no purchase or sale of land and building. It means if there is any difference, it will be only depreciation. So by preparing land and bank account, we see the opening balance on debit side rupees 7 lakh, closing balance on credit side rupees 6,50,000. So balancing figure 50,000 on credit side will be recorded as depreciation 50,000, and our journal entry will be depreciation account debit to land and building account rupees 50,000, and effect depreciation on land and building rupees 50,000 will be added in profit in operating activities. Now adjustment number 5, provision for tax was made during the year was rupees 96,000. We prepare provision for taxation account. First, opening balance on credit side rupees 80,000, closing balance on debit side rupees 1,05,000. Now we will pass entry for provision for tax to profit and loss account debit to provision for tax account rupees 96,000. So posting provision for tax account credit side by profit and loss account 96,000, and now by closing provision for tax account we get balancing figure rupees 71,000 on debit side. This will be recorded as payment of tax. Our accounting entry will be provision for tax account debit to bank account rupees 71,000, and our provision for tax account will tally with rupees 1,76,000. Now see the effect. Number 1, provision for tax rupees 96,000 will be added in profit in operating activities, and payment of tax rupees 71,000 will be deducted in operating activities. Now we will solve adjustment number 6. Preference shares were issued for consideration of cash during the year. Here we prepare preference share capital account. First of all, opening balance on credit side rupees 2 lakh, closing balance on debit side rupees 3 lakh. So difference on credit side amounts to rupees 1 lakh. It means preference shares worth rupees 1 lakh issued during the year. Dear student, here we have securities premium account 2. There is no opening balance in the beginning and closing balance rupees 25,000. It means preference shares worth rupees 1 lakh were issued at a premium of rupees 25,000, and our accounting entry will be bank account debit rupees 2 lakh 25,000 to redeemable preference share capital account rupees 2 lakh to securities premium account rupees 25,000, and posting preference share capital account credit side by bank rupees 1 lakh and securities premium account credit side by bank rupees 25,000, and both the accounts will tally. The effect issue of preference shares for rupees 1 lakh 20,000 will be recorded in cash flow statement as a source financing activities. Now we will pass journal entries for remaining non-current accounts having no adjustments. First, general reserve opening balance 1 lakh 20,000, closing balance 1 lakh 45,000. It is increasing by 25,000. It means during the year profit transferred to general reserve for rupees 25,000, and our accounting entry will be profit and loss account debit to general reserve account rupees 25,000. Its effect will be rupees 25,000 transferred to general reserve will be added in profit in operating activities. 11% debentures opening balance 5 lakh, closing balance 3 lakh. It indicates that during the year company redeemed debentures worth rupees 2 lakh. My dear students, on asset side we can see premium on redemption of debentures, there is no opening balance and closing balance rupees 20,000. It means company redeemed debentures worth rupees 2 lakh at rupees 20,000 premium on redemption, and further that premium on redemption was not written off against profit. So our accounting entry, debentures account debit rupees 2 lakh, premium on redemption account debit rupees 20,000 to bank account rupees 2 lakh 20,000, and the effect financing activities as outflow of cash. Third item, proposed dividend opening balance 1 lakh 36,000, closing balance 1 lakh 44,000. As usual it will be treated. Opening balance means last year proposed dividend will be paid in cash. So our accounting entry for last year dividend paid, proposed dividend account debit to bank account rupees 1 lakh 36,000, and will be recorded in cash flow statement as a outflow in financing activities. And we will make provision or propose for the current year dividend, and our accounting entry will be profit and loss account debit to proposed dividend account rupees 1 lakh 44,000. This will be added back in profit in operating activities. Now on asset side, goodwill opening balance 1 lakh, closing balance rupees 80,000. It means it is decreased by rupees 20,000. So it is assumed as written off during the year, and our accounting entry will be profit and loss account debit rupees 20,000 to goodwill account rupees 20,000. This particular transaction will be recorded in cash flow statement by adding in profit in operating activities. Now we will prepare cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2016. Particulars, amount and amount. This is as per accounting standard 3 and indirect method for operating activities. First, cash flow from operating activities. Here we start with net profit during the year, and it will be calculated by closing balance of profit and loss account minus opening balance of profit and loss account given in balance sheet. That amounts to rupees 90,000. In this net profit we will give the effect of adjustment of non-operating items recorded in profit and loss account. Either it would be added or deducted. First, proposed dividend for the current year 1 lakh 44,000, transferred to general reserve rupees 25,000. Provision for taxation made during the current year rupees 96,000. Then in next step we will get rupees 3,55,000 as net profit before taxation. In net profit before taxation, we will give the effect of non-cash items recorded in profit and loss account. It will be either added or deducted. First, depreciation on plant and machinery 1,20,000 will be added. Same depreciation on land and building added rupees 50,000. Loss on sale of plant and machinery added rupees 9,000. Goodwill written off added rupees 20,000. Here interest on debentures, there is no information in adjustment. This is completely hidden adjustment because debentures outstanding interest is not given in balance sheet. So here it is assumed company paid debenture interest at the end of year, and our end of year balance rupees 3 lakh. So 11% of 3 lakh 33,000. And profit on sale of investment will be deducted rupees 15,000. And finally we get operating profit before changes in working capital rupees 5,72,000. Now we will give the effect of changes in current assets and current liabilities. As I told you in theory lecture, while taking effect of current assets and current liabilities, we will not take into consideration cash and bank balance, overdraft or cash credit. So here first item is stock, and there is a decrease in stock. Opening balance minus closing balance rupees 15,000 will be added. There is an increase in debtors, so closing balance minus opening balance, so it will be deducted rupees 1,27,000. Then decrease in prepaid expenses, opening balance minus closing balance rupees 4,000 will be added back. Increase in creditors, that is closing balance minus opening balance rupees 30,000. And finally we get cash generated from operations rupees 4,94,000. From this cash we will deduct income tax paid of last year rupees 71,000. And finally we get rupees 4,23,000 as net cash flow from operating activities, part A. Now the second part is cash flow from investing activities. First, sale of investment will be recorded as a source 35,000. Sale of plant and machinery as a source rupees 36,000. Purchase of plant and machinery as application minus 2,25,000. And finally we get minus 1,54,000 as a net cash outflow from investing activities, B. Now we will see cash flow from financing activities. Issue of preference shares will be recorded as a source rupees 1 lakh. Premium received on issue of preference shares rupees 25,000 source. Debenture redeemed at premium rupees 2,20,000 minus as application. Dividend paid application minus 1,36,000. Debenture interest paid minus 33,000 as application. And finally we get net cash flow from financing activities minus 2,64,000. Now we have all three activities cash flow. Cash flow from operating activities rupees 4,23,000 positive. Net cash flow from investing activities 1,54,000 negative. And cash flow from financing activities rupees 2,64,000 negative. By adding these three A, B and C, we get net increase in cash and cash equivalent rupees 5,000. In this 5,000 we will add opening cash and bank balance, that is at the beginning of the year from balance sheet rupees 88,000, and we get 93,000 as closing cash and bank balance at the end of year. My dear students, these 93,000 should match with your cash and bank balance at the end of year given in the balance sheet. And here is the end of sum. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will meet very soon with new sum in cash flow statement